vStor could be another hole which could be attacked by any hackers or by any ransomware. And is there some approach we can deal with that situation?
Yeah, we realized that as we were building guard mode, there was that deficiency within vStore. And if you attended our last webinar, where we talked about snapshot immutability and flexible immutability, we're preventing users from changing snapshots. We're setting compliance and a snapshot lock on snapshots. But what if somehow, even though we're kind of detecting from the client, we do end up with a ransomware on our destination, or we just want to ensure that our destination is free from ransomware upon a restore. And one of the enhancements that we built within vStore is now the ability to detect ransomware directly within the snapshot through guard mode scanning. That is, we've moved guard mode now to vStore and are now able to ensure that the snapshots, the data file backups that you're storing on vStore are also going to be free from ransomware.
Awesome. So that's already some new feature already have, or it's like yeah, on the roadmap.
So it's actually new feature functionality that's coming out within the next release. So I can actually show that to
Okay.
you right now if
Oh,
you'd like to see
please. Yeah.
it. Um, so yeah, let me jump to this screen here, and this is something that's pretty cool. And we'll be going into more of this as we talk about this other feature that we're going to talk about today. But with vStore, you know that with advanced recoveries, you're going to be able to perform bare metal restores, mounting snapshots from vStore, uh, making snapshots into virtual machines through virtualization. That's always been in the DPX product, and vStore has always been our software-defined target. We want to make vStore now more independent from the DPX master server itself and provide users with the ability to scan through these snapshots or mount these snapshots without having the master server even up and active. And here I have my vStore server, and I ran a backup to it. Here's that volume that we can enable locking on, flexible immutability, volume protection. But what I want to do is I want to ensure that my snapshots are free from ransomware. Um, I can enable what we call an on-demand verification of the snapshots on vStore. So remember, we had the guard mode agent looking at the client side and notifying on the client side. Now with guard mode being built into vStore, we now have the ability to mount snapshots directly without need for the master server, right? So if your master server goes down, you have this ability to mount a snapshot here and then scan that snapshot for ransomware. So here you can see I've already mounted a snapshot. I have the ability to issue a guard mode scan, and this is just a scan that I can run against that mounted snapshot that's performing the same file checks for violations, block lists, magic number, or file entropy
Mm-hmm.
inconsistency. So these reports will show up, or these files and reports will show up in my guard mode scan from vStore to ensure that, hey, this is a good snapshot to restore from, or might not be the best of snapshots to restore from, based off of the number of suspicious files or alerts that have been sent from this guard mode scan.
Yeah. Yeah.